What's up, YouTube? I'm just having a small mini-lan party here with my cousin. We got a nice computer.
Really nice one.
A really nice one. I just installed the H50 for him today, so he's a very happy boy. And he's overclocking like a fucking idiot. Prime here and real temp, and so do I. Prime, real temp. My temps. These temps. Yeah. There's my rig. You know that. Fuck. So we just flashed his BIOS because the multiplier was locked at 20 and we needed 21. So the CPU is at 4.1 gigahertz as we speak with 1.28 volts. No, 1.275 volts. I'm using 1.28 almost. Just you know, one step higher to get my 4.3. And here's his system. Same motherboard as me. Asus P6T Deluxe version 2 and 6 gigs of RAM. GeForce 295. Vad är det för nätare då?
Corsair.
Corsair, nej. Inte det Coolmaster då? Coolmaster. Yeah. Coolmaster 850 watt PSU Modular. And of course the i7 920 and H50. What's your fucking 8 egg? Yeah, and the Cyber Sniper. Cyber Sniper.
Cyber Sniper.
Look at that fucking RAM. What the fuck? Damn. I'm working. I'm just waiting for one of them to crash. You can see my speed right there. 4.322. I guess you can't see, but I just have to tell you. Gör det då, jävla idiot. Fan, vad temperaturerna var låga. Öppnar du någonting eller? Eller vad fan gjorde du?
Ja, inte mer än dörren där ute.
2 seconds YouTube. Bara kolla vad som händer. Every thread is up and running. I guess my cooler owns. The fuck. And he sucks. I'm just joking. Men såhär, de hoppar rätt mycket såhär, du vet, i temps. Så nice. Yeah, de gjorde det. Yeah, and I gave him my retard table. Of course, I got the nice one. So, yeah. We just tested before 3 Mark 06 and he got 25,400, 200? Maybe. Yeah. And I'm above him, of course, because I'm better than him. Isn't that right?
No comments. Fuck.
You fucking asshole. No, but yeah. My CPU spins a bit faster, so. And 5870 and 295 is really close in GPU performance, so that's nice. But yeah, I think that's it. Maybe I'll post another video because I'm so nice. Yeah, 24-inch screen, 23.6, 24-inch, of course. Very big difference there. You know, like 1.4 inches. Yeah. Yeah. So.
Back to you guys.
Yeah. So keep on overclocking, guys, or something. kill some kids. In games, of course, not in real life. That would be stupid. You know, kind of weird in a way. But see ya, guys, and I love you so much. And I want 1,000 subscribers now, so get it to me. Or I will get Logan from Tiger Direct, and I will punch you with a baby in your face. Bye bye.